Do you want to give your WordPress site a sleek, modern look? Or maybe just save your eyes during those late night edits? Let's turn on dark mode in just a few clicks. So, dark mode isn't just trendy, it's easier on the eye, saves battery life, and gives your site a stylish edge. Whether you're a blogger, developer, or business owner, it's a smart upgrade. There are two ways for you to turn your WordPress into dark mode. First would be through installing a plugin. So go ahead and open your WordPress website and click on this plugins button at the left side of your screen, and that will take you into the plugins page. Use the search bar to look for WP Dark Mode. So this plugin allows you to easily turn on dark mode into your WordPress account as an admin. So simply click on this upgrade and activate button to be able to install and activate this plugin. Now another way for you to be able to create a dark mode admin on WordPress is through using the settings. So on your settings, click on the profile icon at the top right of your screen, and that will take you here. So in here, go ahead and set the admin color scheme into dark mode colors. So here are the preset selection that you can choose from. So simply select the one that presents more of the dark mode. And that is how to make a WordPress dark. Like this video, hit subscribe, and let's keep building smarter, cooler websites together.